Makulay at mayamang kultura. Yan ang ibinida sa katatapos na 2024 Cordillera Festival of Festivals na ginanap sa Malcolm Square sa Baguio City nito lamang Oktubre. Pinangunahan ito ng Department of Tourism CAR kasama ang mga provincial at city government ng rehiyon ng Cordillera. 8 iba't ibang pista mula sa probinsya ng Abra, Apayao, Benguet, Ifugao, Kalinga at Mountain Province ang nagpaindak sa publiko. Ibinahagi rin ng Tabuk City ang Copianche Mataguan na kilala bilang vibrant colors of the city life. Hindi rin nagpahuli ang Panagbanga Festival ng siyudad ng Baguio.
This extraordinary event is a profound celebration of our rich culture, showcasing the finest offerings of our region. Here, where the traditions of our indigenous peoples come alive, we celebrate the unique identity of the Cordillera by presenting our heritage in ways that are both captivating, creative, and authentic.
Ang konsepto ng Festival of Festivals ay nabuo nitong 2021. Layon nitong ipagdiwang ang kultura at ang pamana ng kasaysayan bilang pundasyon ng malagong turismo sa buong Cordillera.
3 years ago, the vision behind the Festival of Festivals was conceived by the Department of Tourism, Cordillera Administrative Region, and the goal is to celebrate our culture and heritage as the foundation of tourism, positioning the Cordillera not only as a gateway to Northern Luzon's breathtaking natural wonders, but also as a premier culture and heritage destination.
Nakiisa at nagbahagi rin ng mensahe si Mayor Benjamin Magalong patungkol sa importansya ng mga ganitong pagdiriwang.
This festival is more than just a display of colorful dances, traditional music, and ceremonial rites. It serves as a reminder of who we are as a people, resilient, proud, and deeply rooted in our heritage.
Namumukod tangi ang Cordillera hindi lamang sa naggagandahang kabundukan nito, kundi pati na rin sa makukulay na mga pista at selebrasyon na siyang sumasalamin sa mayamang kultura ng rehiyong ito. Conan Gulapa para sa PIO, Baguio Balita.